What's up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech a Day, and we're coming at you with a case review compliments of our good friends over at Taurus. We first got to give a huge shout out to them for sending over these cases, and definitely got to say thank you. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do that, make sure you guys give us a like and subscribe if you're not a part of the Galaxy giveaway. Please hit the link in the description. Join. We're giving away cases, and got to be a part of the community because we are on the road to 10K, and we can only do that with your support. So if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and help us get there by the end of the year. Now, what we have here are the Torras. Let me see what they're exactly called. They're the Q3 rugged. Make sure I get it right. Q3 rugged iPhone 17 Pro Max case with the magnetic stands for the 17 Pro Max and the 17 Pro. Now, these are not just your normal everyday cases. These are 7-time military grade protection, 85 TPU impact absorb rating. They're anti-slip protection. Obviously got soft on the inside, and they have precision camera control. So these things are not just your normal everyday, regular cases. These things actually have real, actual protection. They're just not, normal cases. They come in 3 colors. I think we have both of these in the white, but they come in this cool blue color. This is the color we have in both sizes here, and they come in this cool green color, this moss. It's called moss green. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. So this is the one we have today in both colors, and then there's a deep blue. So these are the rugged cases, and I'm gonna tell you, they're not super thick. Usually rugged cases are super thick, but these aren't super thick, so you're not gonna get a whole bunch of weight and heft on these cases, but you're gonna get protection. So let's start with the 17 Pro, and then we'll come back to the 17 Pro Max, I'm sorry, and then we'll come back to the 17 Pro. Now, open it up, get great little quick guide, don't really need that. All right, now, as you can see, like I said, you can tell that it's not just a flimsy case. I mean, you can feel how protected this case is. You can kind of see in there, and you can feel the protection in here, but it's not something that is crazy thick on the case. And as you can see, it's not super thick. I mean, this doesn't even give you that much weight at all. Actually, you know what? Hold on one second. You guys can't really see the numbers on the screen, but I can. So we're gonna see how much the actual case, how much it weighs. 2 ounces. 2 ounces. That's nothing. All right. Put the case over to the side. All right, let's put this back on there. All right, so there you go. I mean, you got camera controls, everything's on there. Let's see. Full MagSafe compatibility on there. And that's something too, if you put the MagSafe on there, because you got the ring, you want to make sure you just slide that off. But then you also have the ring. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is how you do it. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the 17 Pro now. Same packaging. Again, super light. I'm gonna weigh it off screen. This one, 1.7 ounces. Obviously, it's a little bit smaller. All right. There you go. It's on there. Man, this is, like I said, it's protected. You got that hinge. You know, you can hold it up. Ooh wee. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Oh wait, oh snap, hold on, and it rotates. It rotates. Oh my goodness. Oh, it rotates. Oh snap. Okay, here we go. And it's charging. There you go. And it charges. There you go. So, obviously, we got military grade drop protection on these Taurus Q3 rugged iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, run over there. You get them shipped by Amazon, so you know you're going to get them shipped quick. Grab one of these. And again, I want to say thank you to Torras, because these cases are definitely a major go, because these are great. These cases are great. If you need protection and you want to add that protection without adding crazy heft, you still got your camera controls on here. Still got your camera controls. Oh yeah. Still got camera controls. Still got camera controls. Oh yeah. Still got the camera controls. Work just fine. No problem. Camera controls work. No problem. So yeah. These cases are great. Definitely the way to go if you're looking for the premium protection without adding too much bulk on your iPhones, but you want to be protected. If I had to give you one negative, and it's super hard to find, they don't come with a screen protector. They don't come with a screen protector. That's the only thing wrong with these cases, is they don't come with a screen protector. But those are super easy to get. Also on Amazon, I'll put some links in the description for those. But yeah, man, I'm Foster. This has been these cases are great. It's been great. Hit the link. Check these out. Let me know what you think.